Can you believe this view? I don't think any camera is going to do it justice. Please click the like button if you like the video. I may have just lost a camera filming this for you. G'day team, welcome back. I know it's been a while. We've been quite busy. We've got invested a fair bit of money into the channel just recently. We've got new camera gear, new websites up and going, merch is up and going on the website, and a few different other things I've been quite busy with. So yeah, in this video though, what we're going to do is going to take you up to a very cool lookout in Hunter Valley. It is absolutely spectacular, and we're going to take the hard way there. So jump in, strap in, yeah, and enjoy the ride. Yeah, we're just going to stop and let some air out. Obviously no issue with grip, but just the roads here are like that real rocky, gravelly type terrain, and it's just rough as guts. So I'm just going to let air down to about 25, just to smooth things out a bit and make it a bit more comfortable. Just as I was getting out of the car, I just noticed this massive black snake sitting in the middle of the road, well actually right in the middle of the road, right next to where I parked it. It didn't even scare it when I parked right next to it. I was lucky I didn't park close, and almost would have stood on it, got myself bitten. It's a good point to remember that it's always good to have a just a basic first aid kit with at least like a snake bite. At least a snake bite kit there available for you to use, and then like I'm only really 15 minutes from home, so but yeah, still got to be careful. So in the last couple of weeks, since we've been sort of plugging away, getting some stuff with the channel sorted admin wise, we've got our website up and running now, so you can jump on there. There's a few, there's like a gallery section that we're putting together, shop and other places where you get discounts on different products. You can grab some merch, so we've got two different t-shirts, being summer. We've got two different t-shirts. We've got the overt tee and the covert tee. Jump on there, have a look. We've made sure they were really good quality shirts for you to get. A lot of people sell junk shirts and junk gear, so it was really important to me to get you something really good quality that you can use to the gym and, you know, going camping and that sort of stuff, and not worry about it sort of falling apart or changing shape in the wash and stuff like that. So jump on there, www.operation4wheels.com, yeah, and check it out. We're at this track now, so we'll pop it into low. Looks like they've done some back burning around here. It's not particularly badly burnt, so, but there hasn't been any bushfires here for a while, so I'm just guessing the locals have just done some back burning, and just to prevent everything from burning to a total crisp, like it happens down like the Vic High Country and that, where they didn't want to back burn for a while, and it just caused total devastation down there, and the stuff sections down there they'll be regrowing for years, I'd say. One of the big aces this thing has up its sleeve is this selectable sway bar. So flick it on and off as you please. Only in the front. Now the reason why it's so handy being selectable is that obviously gives you the extra articulation that you want, but the big advantage is that you can switch it back on when you need it. So a lot of people won't realise that when you got your sway bar disconnected, you actually lose clearance. That's because the wheel will tuck right up into the guard, and then the car will sit a bit lower. It's good for traction. That's what's good about having a disconnected sway bar in the bush, but yeah, just has that disadvantage of actually losing your ground clearance. Okay, excuse the wind. It's probably going to be too windy to fly the drone further up, unfortunately, but battery's running low on the camera, so I thought a good opportunity to actually run through the gear that I've got. So what we got this week is a Sony A7S II. And we bought that second hand just because brand new the 3 is like 5-6 grand plus your lenses and whatnot, so just a bit out of my price range at the moment. So we've got that one second hand. Other thing we did this week, obviously we got a new GoPro as well, so we've done away with the phone completely with gear. The GoPro's mic'd up, the A7S is mic'd up too. Other thing we've done is we've built a little charging station in the back of the car. So we've done things a little bit differently to what you might see on other channels, and it's a bit of a trial, but it seems to be working quite well. So what we've done is we've actually velcroed a bunch of things to the draw system, because the draw system uses marine carpet, sorry, and so the Velcro actually works really well. It's really quite secure, it doesn't come loose, and we can charge everything. So the Ryobi charge is hard mounted in, that's a bit different story there, but everything else is Velcroed in, and it's just so we can, if we need to, we can just take that stuff straight out, and it's like it was never there. Just trying to get some decent light here. It's probably a bit better. Yeah, so that's what we've done charging wise. We'll just swatch over the batteries now and yeah, keep moving. Okay, so we just stopped for lunch just before we get to this lookout. What we're doing is just going to quickly knock up some of these on-track meals. So all you got to do is just basically pour some water, chuck the meal and the packet straight in the billy, and let it heat up for 3 minutes, and then it's ready to eat. They're really good. One of the things I do to save weight is use hiking type gear and hiking equipment and food. Just saves on space in the fridge because it's all long life. And yeah, that's all gourmet food. This tastes bloody awesome. And yeah, if you want to check them out, you can go to my website, operation4wheels.com. There's a link to on-track meals and you'll get a discount. Go and check them out. Awesome product. Coming up on the lookout out now is quite often there's campers up here, so but we come here midweek just to avoid people as much as we can. And it looks like there's no one here, which is cool, and it's just a bloody awesome view. And here we are. What a view. Feels sketchy parking the car on this rock. It is such a crazy view. It's like you're on the edge of the bow of the Titanic. Can you believe this view? I don't think any camera is going to do it justice. I get the drone out, but the wind keeps picking up really badly and then comes back down. It's tempting to get out. Yeah. Okay, so it's crazy windy out there, and I think I've damaged my camera. It's the wind's blown over the tripod, and I can't get a clear image on it anymore. So anyway, please click the like button if you like the video. I may have just lost a camera filming this for you. Yeah, and we'll see you in the next one when I probably have to get a new camera.